Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, first and foremost, happy Easter to everybody out there that is celebrating Easter. If you're not celebrating Easter, I hope everybody is just having a really great weekend, spending time with family and friends, and just enjoying a great holiday weekend. Alright, we got cruise news for you today, so we're going to jump right in and get started. And first up, we're going to have the Norwegian Pearl, which has become the very first cruise ship to return to Bar Harbor, Maine in over 2 years since the start of the pandemic. Which means we'll get some cruise ships back there into Bar Harbor, get some cruise passengers back in there, start contributing back to the local economy, giving cruisers another destination, another option to sail to, and one that even we are really looking forward to going to, particularly on one of the fall Canadian cruises. Go up there and take a look at the leaves, the trees, and everything, how they change so much color there in the fall up in that area. Down here in Texas, we don't get a whole lot of that, so that would be something really spectacular to see. Next, we have Princess Cruise Lines, and Princess Cruise Lines, well, they have canceled the entire summer sailing season for the Sapphire Princess. So she was supposed to sail from Los Angeles, doing Mexican Riviera and Hawaii sailings over this summer, and 11 sailings have now been canceled, and the restart date has been moved to September 24th of 2022. Now, Princess Cruise Line states that there are delays that are affecting the restart of the Sapphire Princess, not really specifying exactly what those delays are. So at this point, it's really only kind of some speculation. One of the ones that I've seen recently, I've seen it affecting other cruise lines, I've seen other comments about it from other cruise lines, is there could very possibly be a crew shortage. An issue getting visas to get crew members here into the United States, COVID restrictions, and other things like that could be affecting getting crew members in. Now, I do not know for any factual statement that that is what one of the delays is, but it's just something we've seen with other cruise lines and could be a possibility here as well. And finally, we have a story, one that I honestly feel like recently we have told one too many times. It's becoming too often. We just had this situation 2 weeks ago on board Virgin Voyages, and now we have it again on board the Carnival Mardi Gras. So early Saturday morning, a little after midnight, while the Carnival Mardi Gras was returning to Port Canaveral, there is a report of an individual who has gone overboard. It is currently being reported as an adult male. No other information is available. I've seen different ages quoted out there, anywhere from 16 to 43. Only real fact that we have at this time is that it was an adult male who did go overboard. Now, the Carnival Mardi Gras, of course, conducted search and rescue operations, and the Carnival Elation, which was nearby, also assisted with search and rescue operations until both vessels were released by the Coast Guard and continued on back to port. And at this point, we do not really have any other factual information beyond what we know right here. Once we know more facts have actually been released, we of course will let everybody know. Like I said, this is becoming a situation that's becoming more and more common. We're hearing about this. It's starting to seem like every couple of weeks or every couple of months. And every time we have to tell the story, I really hope we don't ever have to tell it again. But unfortunately, it keeps coming on back around. Like I said, once we know more information on this subject, we of course will let everybody know. Alright, and that is going to be our cruise news for today. April the 17th, 2022, Easter Sunday. Again, I hope everybody has themselves a really great weekend, enjoys their time with family and friends. And if you did enjoy today's video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.